Get fit in pink. Train with us. Next exercise, classic squat. We're going to do 3 sets while controlling your breathing. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're going to try to maintain a steady pace, but without running out of breath. Pause. We're going to take a 30-second break. Let's take a breath and drink some water if you need it. It's very important to stay hydrated whenever you exercise. Second set. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're working on our thighs and glutes, although good technique is necessary for proper execution. Pause. We're going to take another 30-second break to do the last set of squats. Drink water again if you need to and breathe slowly. In this routine, we're going to burn approximately 30 calories. And very importantly, if you lower your hips too much, make sure there's no discomfort in your knees or back. Let's go for the last set. 3, 2, 1. Go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Squats are perfect for strengthening glutes, thighs, especially the inner thigh area, and also help stabilize the pelvis. Stop. Good job. Shall we move on to the next exercise? Tell us in the comments, where would you rank this exercise out of 10? If you like these videos, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe by activating the notification bell so that you'll be the first to see all the exercises we upload for you. Thanks for watching.